The head teacher, in order to prevent the boy from revealing that he had seen her using the toilet, demanded that the boy must also use the toilet in front of her. Just as an indescribable scene was about to unfold, the boy's classmates spotted this, forcing the head teacher to leave in disappointment. Later, when the boy was about to go to the toilet, the head teacher actually climbed over the wall and entered the bathroom. She then began to force the boy to use the toilet. Just as the head teacher was about to fulfill her intention, she accidentally fell at a critical moment. At that time, a teacher who was drinking water heard the head teacher's scream. When she rushed over, she found that the head teacher's clothes were already wet. Subsequently, during an activity, the boy's anus was accidentally stabbed by a classmate with a branch. The head teacher took this opportunity to offer to take the boy to the infirmary. There, she told the boy to apply the medicine himself and then left. But when the head teacher came back again, she was holding a urinal. Even more, out of revenge against the boy, she even planned to take photos of him using the toilet. However, her behavior was strongly opposed by the boy, so the head teacher had no choice but to urinate on him. At this moment, the boy's girlfriend suddenly arrived. This made them immediately realize the seriousness of the situation. But when the boy's girlfriend entered the ward, she didn't find anyone. It turned out that the two had hidden under the bed. Yet in such a narrow space, the boy could even feel the head teacher's breath. Since neither of them was wearing clothes on their lower bodies, the head teacher soon realized that she seemed to have touched something hard, and this mysterious object was even gradually growing larger.